So, hello guys! So, for today's video guys, actually guys, patulog na kami ni Kitty Pie at yung mga iba na kong kaibigan, mga bisita. Thank you so much sa pagdating. Nandun, natutulog na din. Actually, time check is already 12 pa ba, bibi? Yeah, 12:11. No, 1:11. Yeah. So, for today's video guys, mag-unboxing po tayo ng mga regalo ko sa aking birthday. So, first, ito kay Madam Berna. Wow! Thank you, Madam Berna. Oh, see? Dalawa talaga to guys. Oh. Diba? Yung model ng Mont Blanc. Madam Berna. See, let's open this one first guys, no? Ang ganda ng packaging. Actually, gusto ni Madam Tina doon mag-unboxing ako guys sa party. Kaso, masyadong crowded na at vacation time, no? Kaya, pina-enjoy ko na lang sila. See? Diba? Oh my God! Ano? Paano ba ito buksan? Ito na naman. Ay! Wow! 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 Dami! Oh my God! It's so cute! Ito na! Yeah! Ang ganda! Thank you, Madam Berna! Diba? Ano talaga to sa akin? Kasyang-kasya. Oh, hindi ko pa nga nasukat guys. Alam ni Madam Berna yung sukat ko. Saka itong isa, Mont Blanc tea. Let's open! O, diba? Dito na naman tayo sa sa Raybon. O, diba? So, na-enjoy talaga kami lahat guys. Yeah. Tomorrow we will, make breakfast. Eating breakfast pala natin, hindi make. Wow! Ay, cute! It's a yeah, ay cute yeah. Thank you, Madam Berna. It's wow. So cute. From Mont Blanc. Oh my God. So ito guys, kay Madam Busyang at saka kay Papa D. It's gosh! Wow! At saka guys, mayroon din kay Cutie Pie. Cutie Pie is here. I'm too much excited for this. Oh my God! Cutie Pie, I don't want to open this. Wow! Oh my God! Hala! Wait, I don't know. What's this? Oh, ang dami ko ng pera! Where's the my gold? Wow! Thank you, Kitty Pie! I love you so much! More dirham to come! Oh my God! Ang cute! O, diba? Oh, na-enjoy ako! Ang cute niya, guys! O, diba? Tinalbugan kay Madam Bush. At ito, guys, kay Madam Bex. Of course, if Chanel, kay Madam Bex yan. If Mont Blanc, kay Madam Berna yan. Ang ingay mo, enough na. Too much nice. So, ito, guys. I don't know kay Madam Tina. Madam Tina is not here pa. Oy, pero todo effort si Madam Tina, guys. I like the balloons, right? She bringing that one. That's why daw she become late. Pity too much Madam Tina, guys, actually. No? Sabi ko, ano na naman to? Essential Omri. I think this is same for my what's this he gave me, Madam Bex. That my eyelashes. Yeah, this is the one. Yeah. Different design. See? From Chanel. different design with it. And then this one. Thank you, Madam Dex. Aba, what's this one? I don't think I can open it. Yeah, see? Ang ganda ng kulay. I like the color. Wow! Thank you, Madam. From Chanel. Diba? And then, kay Madam Jen Aliyah. I told Madam Jen, no need to give gift for me. But still, she gave me a gift, guys. Thank you, guys. Kumplito ang Team UAE ngayon. Oh my God, dress din to. Dress din. Yeah, it's a dress. It's also a dress. Oh my God, alam, hindi pa ito maiksi sa akin. Ang cute niya. It's cute. O, diba? Thank you, Madam Jen. At saka this one pa, guys, for Christmas party pa to, guys. Si Madam Dex din. Ang tagal na. She gave me also Madam Dex for Christmas. Yeah, because after the Thanksgiving, guys, now pa talaga kami nakita-kita ulit. Yes. So, ito. Merry Christmas, Madam Zayan. Diyos ko, Lord. O, diba? Yeah. Kailangan daw gisiun. Para ano. Oh my God! Complete! Lipstick! Oh, all is Chanel again! Ang dami ko na collection ng Chanel! Allah! I think this is a lipstick! Oh my God! Yeah! I lip tint! Try na! It's nice! Chanel! Thank you, Madam! And then this one. Alam ko na. Manicure again. Alam kasi niya mahilig ako sa ano eh. Yeah. O, diba? Thank you, Madam Dex. Ano na naman tong isa? Yung Christmas at saka birthday. Hala, nag-abot na to. Dalawa na tong ganito ko. Mag-Indiana na lang talaga ako nito. So, that's all for today's video, guys. Thank you so much sa nagregalo sa aking birthday. At thank you at nag-enjoy din kayo. See you in my next vlog. Bye-bye! So, hello guys. So, ito guys, may pahabol. Nag-unboxing ako. Mayroon pa palang gift na hindi ko na-unboxing. Shout out sa aking, baliktad na ngayon ang panahon guys. Yeah. Happy birthday Ninang Dina from Saraya. O, diba? Siya pa ang nagbigay sa akin. Thank you, Bibi Saraya. Thank you so much. God, I have idea this one. Ah! Come here, Katima. It's nice. See? She do afraid. Katima. It's cute. Oh my God. Wow. It's so cute. Thank you, Baby Saraya. I'm so beautiful. It's so cute. I like it too much.
Nice. Super nice.
Yeah. So, hello guys. So, for today's video, may pahabol pa yun na gift ni Madam Chris Travel Adventure. Kasi guys, nag-unboxing ako doon sa room namin. Actually, palagi kaming nag-unboxing during the party. Pero that time, medyo pagod talaga ako. At saka grabe ang ingay. Kaya sabi ko kay Madam Tina, wag na doong mag-unboxing. Ang doon lang ako nag-unboxing sa room. So ito, nabigay niya at kinabukasan niya. Na. Kasi akala ko kasi guys, yung gift ni Madam Tina is yung ano na, yung decoration at saka yung pabalon niya. Yeah. Kasi actually, sabi ko na sa kanya, hindi na mag-effort pagpapadecoration kasi ano po namang pagod din siya sa work. Ano yun, basta masyado din siyang expensive guys. Dagdag gastos na din yun ni Madam Tina kasi alam niyo naman yung mga ano ngayon, medyo mahal na talaga as in. So ito na, mag-unboxing na tayo. So ito guys, ayan, happy birthday Madam Dayan from Madam Chris Travel Adventure. It's a Diki Inway. Actually guys, na-try ko na itong sukatin doon sa hotel kasi baka kasi hindi daw magkasya sa akin. Kaya, alam ko na kung ano to. It's a shoes from Diki Inway. Super ganda ang design guys. O, diba? Yes. At saka very comfy siya. Bagay na bagay to sa damit na binigay ni Madam Berna from what do you mean by this? Mont Blanc. Yes, ang ganda niya. Super. Yeah, see? Oh. Oh, diba? Super ganda. From Ziki Inway. Thank you, Madam Chris. And thank you so much, guys, sa nagpunta sa aking birthday.